So hey folks, welcome to another live stream on AR, hands-on AR creation. And today we have with us our expert industry mentor, Mr. Pankaj Parmar sir, who is a senior AR developer on various AR developer platforms such as Spark AR, Platform Unity, 3D Engine, etc. etc. So I hope it's going to be a really insightful and a learning session where will be creating some amazing AR filter which we can use to create some amazing stories on Instagram, Facebook, etc. So without any delay, let's invite him for the session and let's begin with the session. Over to you, sir.
Okay. Hi everyone. Thank you, Reskilll, to give me the opportunity, okay, to do the workshop for the Spark here, and I'm very glad to do so. So I'm not wasting much time, okay, and we will let's start with the our AR session. I'm just setting my screen. Varun, just give me a confirmation. My screen is visible now.
Yes, sir. Your screen is visible.
Okay, sure. Thank you. Okay. So basically, the Spark AR is created by the Facebook. Okay. So to create the AR filter for Instagram and Facebook. So basically, is a software created by Facebook in which you can develop the different type of AR effect based on your requirement or based on your interest. So here you see that this is the software Spark AR Studio, and here you can see different kind of templates over there. So you can start like doing this template, using this template, and you can start creating the AR effect, which whatever you like. Okay, you can see it. There are a lots of templates over here. Right. So right now we have like we will create the setting experience for the Instagram and Facebook. So I'm just creating that. Okay. So this is the environment for Spark here. Okay, you can see that different different parts or components here. So we will discuss this in a short introduction. Okay, and then we will start our AR filter effects. So basically आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो कि there is a scene device here, sorry, scene part here. Okay, so here you can see that there is a device, camera, focal distance, microphone. Okay, so what's for these things? So basically here you can add your 2D plan, 3D object, canvas, or any kind of the thing. But how? So you have to just click here on plus sign, or you can create the right click right this and add object. So you can add the different type objects here like face tracker, plane tracker, target tracker, hand tracker, and the different objects here like plane, null object, 3D objects. So whatever you are adding here, it will be visible in your screen. Okay. So right now I'm adding one plane, so you can see it's visible here. So that the same thing, it will be visible on different device or on your devices. Yeah. So right now I'm building this and come to the asset part. So here is the asset part is basically collection of the asset like texture, 3D model, audio, script, anything you can add, it will be here in asset folder. Okay, so you have to just click on this plus sign or you can add right click. So here you can see that you can import any texture, any 3D model or texture animation, GIF, animation sequence. Okay, and then you can add the animation sequence block here, material, playback controller for audio and for the 2D animations, 3D animations. You can also create the script like JavaScript, TypeScript, shader scores, and different textures like environment texture, gallery texture, segmentation texture kind of. That's the thing. So right now we need to right now I'm trying to import this thing. Like today we are creating a image tracking AR filter. So basically I need this image. So I'm just dragging this image, and you can see here it create the texture folder. I'm just creating the audio file. So it create the audio folder. That's the thing. And yes, I'm importing 3D model. So I'm just giving the example how it create the folder here. So I'm just, yeah, this is the GLTF file, 3D file. Yeah, you can see here. Okay, that is I have integrated the texture here, तो इसका एक folder अलग से बन गया. Then I have also added the audio file here. Okay, तो यहाँ पे एक अलग सा folder audio का बन गया. Okay, so you can here be like there is I have added 3D object, but इसका कोई folder नहीं बना. तो आप जो भी 3D पार्ट लाइक FPX, GLTA और GLB कोई भी आप ऐड करोगे ना, वो यहाँ पे ही आपको विजिबल रहेगा ऑन द टॉप साइड. ओके, इसका कोई फोल्डर या कुछ बनता नहीं है जैसे. Then we are come to here, on the scene department. Okay, we have to discuss the inspector. So I'm just creating normal plane here, and on the right side you can see that there is a different type of properties of the particular plane. So here you can see that आप देख सकते हो कि यहाँ पे इसकी visibility है. You can change its position, scaling like this. Okay, you can change its rotation. Okay, so basically this is the property over there. You can change it. This is for the enable, like you have to enable this for front camera, back camera, user capture or participants. Means when user active the front camera of Instagram, then it will be enable. If I'm unchecking, and at that time when user go through your AR filter and then active the front camera, then this plan is not visible because right now here मैंने इसको uncheck कर दिया है. If I checked it, then इसको आप कोई भी front या back या कोई भी उसमें आप इसको active कर सकते हो. So basically this kind of the thing. Here there is a tag, so you can add here tag. So basically tags work for the scripting. If you are working with the scripting and there are so many objects over there, then you can use this tags here. And then this is the material in which you can like create this material. And this, yeah, okay, I'm creating the material. So basically material is uh, like giving any plan to any like colors or kind of the image or any kind of the thing. Like I have changed here color, or I will give this image name. Okay, you can see that. So it's basically 3D images, like 3D objects images. So it's look like this. Okay, so I'm just deleting this. So and here, yes, top in the top, you can see the layers. Okay, so basically layers is rendering your object in which layer the layer. So you can आप यहाँ पे click करके देख सकते हो कि there are only one layer. ठीक है, so I can add from here one layer. So there are two layers, layer 0 and layer 1. So in this plan you can choose in which layer you have to render this object, layer 1 or layer 2. So basically if I have to render this in layer 1, then I will change this layer here. And if I have to render this object on layer 0, then I will change this to layer 0. Okay, so right now we need only just layer. I'm just deleting it, and you can see that is by default taking the layer 0. Okay, so this is the thing. Then we are coming to here. This is the different icons here. So we will discuss each and every one icon here. So first of all thing, there is a workshop. Okay, you can show that, so patch editor. Okay, I'm just clicking here. Yeah, so basically patch editor is the main thing of Spark here, in which you have to like the patch editor का काम क्या होता है basically main कि मैंने ये प्लेन किया, इस प्लेन को मुझे कोई मूवमेंट देनी है लाइक टॉप टू बॉटम या कुछ एनिमेशन या एनी काइंड ऑफ द थिंग आई हैव टू डू दिस विद दिस प्लान. ओके, तो जैसे कि अभी लाइक ये स्केलिंग वन वन एंड वन है, एंड आई हैव टू वन एनिमेशन क्रिएट करना है लूप का, जिसमें ये प्लेन का स्केलिंग टू एंड वन के बीच में लूप एनिमेशन देगा. So how can I do that thing? So I am just clicking this arrow. Okay, and then I'm just creating a loop animation. then the transition. Okay. So this is the starting string means to 1 1 and end means के कहाँ तक मुझे वो करना है then 2 2. Okay. And I'm just connecting this and I'm connecting this. But you can say it will very jerky and it will very speedy. So I'm just clicking this mirror thing and now you can see. So basically patch editor is the main thing. आपको कोई animation करना है या कुछ भी करना है whatever. Okay, this is the main thing. This is the patch editor and you can see here different patches here. Like I have used a loop animation. वो जो क्या basically ये क्या करेगा कि जो animation है उसको loop में ही घुमाता रहेगा, ठीक है. And this is transition. तो इसकी स्टार्ट वैल्यू कहाँ से मैंने की है कि 1 1 से ये एंड वैल्यू 2 2 तक जाएगा, ठीक है. एंड उसका जो स्केलिंग पार्ट है मुझे जो ऑब्जेक्ट को स्केल करवाना है 3D का उसको मैंने यहाँ पे क्लिक करके इसका जॉइन करवाया, ठीक है. तो here you can see that this is the changing its value. Okay, here the duration, if I'm the duration giving the 2, then it will be slow the animation. So the more the duration, it will slow down the animation, and the less the duration, like 0.5, then it will fast. See. Okay, so this is the patch editor. Show console. So this is the console is only used for the when you are working with the script. So when you are working with the script, then you have to like you have to debug any messages or you have to debug any value, then it will be here. And if you have any scripting errors over there, then it will be visible here. Okay. So we will discuss this part later on. And then the so asset summary. Yeah. So the asset summary is basically your base overall project size. आपके जो टेक्सचर आपके प्रोजेक्ट में जो टेक्सचर है उसकी साइज कितनी है, ओके, कितनी साइज वो यूज करा हुआ है. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि मेरे टोटल प्रोजेक्ट की साइज है 1.2 देन 90 लाइक अराउंड 1 MB अराउंड 1.1 MB. ओके. सो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टेक्सचर 3D ऑब्जेक्ट एनिमेशन ऑडियो वो आपकी साइज क्या कितनी यूज कर सकते हैं, इट विल वो आप यहाँ पे से चेक कर सकते हो, ठीक है. ऑल्सो यू कैन रिव्यू अनयूज एसेट, उसमें आप देख सकते हो कि कौन सी एसेट आपने अनयूज की हुई है, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे से मैंने अभी कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट यूज किया नहीं है मेरे सीन में. सो यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि अनयूज एसेट हो गई है. आई एम जस्ट कैंसलिंग दिस थिंग. This just a second. Okay, yes. So multiplayer packet tool. So it is for the if you are creating the video call filter or video call effect for the multiplayer, then this tool will be used. Okay, so we are not discussing this in the detail right now. And then you can come here. Let's check the video. So you can use the different real-time simulation over here. Okay, and you can also your add your here. Like I'm just changing this. Okay, so and basically you can add also your own video here. Okay, you can simply change this like this. You can access your laptop HD camera here. Then this image, this is the image. I'm just going for the patch editor for this. Yes, yeah. So this is the pause event. When I'm clicking on this, I have just paused this event, pause effect. Okay, and right now this is the advanced frame. When I'm clicking this, you can see it will give you the इसके आगे की जो फ्रेम है वो आपको दिखाएगी कि इसके आगे की फ्रेम में क्या होता रहेगा, ठीक है. जैसे भी यहाँ पे पॉज है तो ये यू कैन सी दैट इस शो यू एडवांस फ्रेम of any animation or your AR effect. Here you can stop and then you can play or you can hear like I am just stopping here and this is the restart, so your effect will be restart. But now we have to just do this and I'm just clicking. This is where reset your effect. And search, you can search any patch editor or any kind, like I'm just talking. There is a like the 3D model talking, so I'm just right clocking. So it will be just I'm just taking it will be redirect or highlight this 3D object. So when you are working with the multiple object or so many object or so many plans, at that time you can easily search these things. Okay, so now we come to the asset library. So basically asset library is provided by the spark AR. It's the collection of the different 3D object, music, asset, texture, blocks, scripting, color editing, all over there. You have to use these things. You can use, and it's up free. So basically it's very free, so you can use anytime or any object over here. So you can see here there is a different like 3D object over here. Okay, and you can see here there is a different musics over, there is a different patches here. So all are free asset here, so you can use it in your effect anytime without the hesitating. There is a different texture or like scripting. You can see here there is a different scripting here. The Canon lightweight 3D physics engines. Spark AR is now available with physics, so you can use this thing also. Then this is the test on the device. So I'm clicking this. I have like two setting experience like Instagram, Facebook. So like जब आपकी effect ready हो जाती है and you have to test on the different devices, so you can directly send this link to on Instagram, or you can send it to Facebook, or there is a here my device is connected, so you can check these things with the like check this with your phone. जहाँ पे ऐप स्टोर पे एक लाइक स्पार्क एयर की एप्लीकेशन है, स्पार्क एयर प्लेयर, जहाँ पे आप वो चेक कर सकते हैं. ओके, देन हियर इज द पब्लिश थिंग. सो पब्लिश करने के लिए आप यहाँ से भी अपना इफेक्ट कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि यहाँ पे पब्लिश न्यू थिंग, अपडेट एग्जिटिंग वन. यू कैन ऐड द रिकॉर्ड वीडियो हियर. यू दिस इज द फाइल साइज. यू कैन क्लिक ऑन दिस. इट शो यू ये फाइल साइज क्या है, इसकी क्या है. And this is the limitation, like Facebook is a 10 MB and Instagram is a 4 MB. So you can see that Android, iOS, Android, and Android. So you have to match this file size before uploading to any platform like Facebook or Instagram. Then you can see the review capabilities. तो आपने जो भी इफेक्ट में जो भी कैपेबिलिटी यूज की हुई है इस मैच विथ योर इफेक्ट और नॉट. इफ ये अगर रिव्यू ये कैपेबिलिटी मैच नहीं करेंगे, देन यू आर नॉट अलाउड टू अपलोड योर इफेक्ट. And simply you can export this project like any whatever any name AR, and it will create the AR export file. So you can share it with your client or anything, or you can directly go to the Spark AR up and then you have to upload. Okay, so basically I'm just deleting this. So this is the overall short description about the Spark AR. Now we are creating the AR filter. Okay, so आज हम जो AR filter create करने वाले हैं वो image tracking का है, कि when you are tracking any image, तो one 3D model over there, and it come and it will animate and it will like up sound audio indication और उसका animation जो है उसका sync कर जाए. ठीक है, तो we are basically creating this only. So right now I have a 3D model over here. Okay, so I have used from this asset library only. So you can find here. Like, see, this is the 3D model I have used from this thing, from the this AI library. Okay, then this is our image tracking. Okay, we will use this as a image tracking, and this is our audio file. Okay, so now we are creating add object and target tracker. That's the thing. Now I'm choosing your target tracker to one. Okay, and right now I'm creating the null object, and that null object I'm dragging this 3D object over here. Okay, so you can see that the object is very too small, so it's not visible. So I'm just changing it 10, 10, 10. Yeah, now you can see that. I'm just doing 15, 15. Okay, so you can adjust it like this. Yeah. So now there is an animation file over here, maximo.com. So I have to apply this animation to this 3D object. So I'm going to do this, selecting this 3D object, and then with the right side, you can see the animation. There is a right now there is a no control selected. So right now I'm creating the create a new animation controller. So I'm creating a new controller. I'm giving this as a AR animation. You can see here. This is the clip. So now you see the animation work. Okay, you can fast, you can adjust the speed here. Okay, but we are just using the, yeah. You can also cut this, trim this animation. Okay, whatever like or based on your requirement. Right now is loop and playing. Okay, we will work on this thing later on. So right now I created this thing, and now I need one audio for this thing. यस. सो बेसिकली अभी आपका सिंपल क्या हो गया कि आपने ये इफेक्ट कर ली, तो वी विल like check this effect right now what's happening, then we will see. Okay. Just wait a second. The player name is, okay, try player. I'm just opening this. Sorry guys, I'm just searching the software here, so that's why. Okay, so you can visible here. uh, I just click player, and then now the screen recording. Oh, sorry. It's not screen recording. Okay, movie recording. Okay, so you can see here. So right now I'm just just I need to send to my phone. So you can see here there is a here the untitled and the effect name here. I'm just making it big. Yeah, you can see is untitled last sync today 5 would sync. So अब जो ER effect है वो वहाँ पे integrate हो गए. So I'm just checking this. So now you can see the image is over there, but there is no audio, or when you are like tracking this, okay, the animation 3D animation start and it's looping. Okay, so what we are doing right now, uh, okay, so now we are adding the audio, and we will sync that audio with the animation. Okay, when the user track the image. So for that we need one speaker file. Then we need to add nothing else. I just use this thing later on. So I'm just going for the target tracking right now and creating the patch. So it will create the patch. Here you say there is a target find, target selected. Here you can see that which your target you have to use. and there is a target tracker here. So you see here there is a different like found, position, and scaling rotations event over there. So when the target tracker found this event is triggered, it will set the position, it will set the scaling part, it will scale the rotation. So right now we need the only this found thing. Okay, when the user found, the audio will play. So for that thing, we will go to the AR animation. Okay, and I'm just clicking this and reset this. Okay, so when the user find this image tracking, the AR animation will play and the AR animation reset at the same time. So ये इसमें क्या होगा कि when आप जब image tracking से आप निकाल दोगे और आपका फोन कुछ भी ट्रैक नहीं कर रहा, and when you are go back to the image tracking, तो it will reset the animation. So every time when every time you scan the image tracking, the AR animation will start from the scratch and the thing. And now we need also audio. So I'm just using this audio here. Then I'm just dragging this audio clip here. Okay. Now for the audio play, I need two more patches. One is audio player and one is controller, single click controller. Okay. So here you say yes. So here you see there is an audio player, the audio clip and controller. So audio clip means I have used this audio patch here. So I just connect this audio clip here. Okay, and this is a single clip controller which will we will control when to play this audio, when to stop, or when to it will be in loop or not. So I can simply connect to it and connect this audio file to here. Okay. Yes. So now user found the image tracking, then it will be stop. Okay, and when not, so when image tracking is not found, okay, or it will not found, then I will stop it. ओके, सो बेसिकली ये क्या करेगा कि आपकी इमेज जब फाउंड होगा ना, तब ये ऑडियो को एज अ स्टार्टिंग से प्ले करेगा. एंड व्हेन इमेज टैगिंग इज नॉट फाउंड और इमेज इज लॉस्ट, एट दैट टाइम वो ऑडियो एक कंटिन्यूअस चलता नहीं रहेगा. ठीक है, वो वहां से स्टॉप हो जाएगा. एंड व्हेन अगेन यू आर लाइक ट्रैकिंग दैट एनिमेशन, देन द एनिमेशन एंड ऑडियो बोथ start from the scratch. Okay, so let's test this thing. First of all, we will save this thing like AR effect. So now I'm going to here. Just connecting the just movie recording. The movie recording. Okay. So I'm just here. So now you can see that.
It's me, Mickey Mouse. Say, you want to come inside my clubhouse?
So I'm just going again.
Everybody, it's me, Mickey Mouse. Say, you want to come inside my clubhouse?
Then again.
Everybody, it's me, Mickey Mouse. Say, you want to come inside my clubhouse?
Okay, so that's it here. So this kind of experience you are creating, so you have seen that whenever I'm just like if I lost the image tracking and I just move my phone, the audio or animation will stop, and when I get back to the image tracking or I'm tracking again, okay, the animation and the audio start again. Okay, so basically using this kind of the thing, you can creating like your various or your different kind of the animation, or like using an image tracking, you can create the different type of the AR effect, like exciting AR effect you are creating. Now the this is the, like, we have created this effect, and when we have to upload this effect, okay, basically we have to upload this effect. So we have to like create. Okay, so you can see here I have matched the file size, review capability. I'm just exporting this thing, AR effect. Like I'm replace. So just close this, just cancel recording. We will just do this. Start here. So when you have to publish the an AR effect, you have to go to the Spark AR Hub and then click on the publish icon. Okay. And then this is the thing here. You have to give your name, and here you have to choose your file, which I have this AR export file. You have to choose here. Then this is the owner publisher. Okay, like Instagram or Facebook. Okay, edit, in which Instagram or Facebook platform you want to upload. You have to select the different categories over here. You can also add the keywords, and most important thing, you have to capture one demo video using your Instagram link. Okay, so, and then you can upload this image icon or use a thumbnail, and you can also put the collaborator if you are creating the effect for the any client or any brand, and they will like they collaborate with you, so you can add your profile here, and then you will get the publication date like as soon as possible, or you can add set time and date, and then you have to submit. Okay, and when you, as soon as possible, so within, if your everything is good, then within 2 or 3 hours your effect will be live. And if you will set a time and date, that so on that particular date and time your effect will be live. Okay, so that's it. So this is the way you have create the a different type of AR effect, and you can upload this AR effect in the Spark AR Hub, and you can show it here. Varun, that's it. I have like completed my part here.
Yeah, so thank you very much, sir, for teaching us, such an amazing filter. It was really very insightful to, learn. This was out of the stream. Like mostly the filter, the instructor teaches us is all about, some virtual Oculus or applying some face mask or something. But this Mickey Mouse was really very interesting to learn. and it was really very good to learn from such an expert. So we are honored to host you for this session. So thank you very much for coming here, and thank you very much for explaining and taking out your time on the weekend. So we look forward to collaborate with you on more advanced topics of Spark AR. So till then, guys, thank you very much for staying with us, and see you in the next podcast and videos. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.
Okay, thank you.